Hello everyone and welcome to our review of the SOWTECH Espresso Coffee Machine. Coffee lovers, you know that there's nothing better than starting your day with a freshly brewed cup of espresso. But finding the perfect machine that can deliver consistent results can be a daunting task. That's why we're here to help. In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the SOWTECH Espresso Coffee Machine, a popular choice among coffee enthusiasts. We'll be discussing its features, performance, and overall value for money. First, let's talk about the SOWTECH Espresso Coffee Machine's design and build quality. The machine has a sleek and compact design that will complement any kitchen countertop. It's made of high-quality stainless steel that's both durable and easy to clean. The machine has a 1.25-liter water tank and can brew up to 4 cups of espresso at once. It also comes with a milk frother that can make lattes and cappuccinos. The SOWTECH Espresso Coffee Machine is designed for home use and is easy to operate. Moving on to the machine's performance, we were impressed with how quickly it heats up and how easy it is to use. It has a 15-bar pump that delivers consistent pressure, resulting in a rich and creamy espresso shot. The milk frother is also easy to use and produces creamy froth that's perfect for lattes and cappuccinos. We also appreciated the fact that the machine has a built-in cup warmer that keeps your cups at the perfect temperature. One thing to keep in mind is that the SOWTECH Espresso Coffee Machine is a budget-friendly option. While it delivers great results, it may not be as durable as some of the more expensive espresso machines on the market. The machine also has a few plastic parts, which may not be as long-lasting as stainless steel parts. However, given its price point, we think the SOWTECH Espresso Coffee Machine offers great value for money. And that brings us to the end of our review of the SOWTECH Espresso Coffee Machine. Overall, we think it's a great choice for anyone who's looking for an affordable and easy-to-use espresso coffee machine for home use. Its compact design, quick heating time, and consistent results make it a great investment for any coffee lover. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tutorials.